Thabo, my brother,
Yes.
you are one module away from finishing your diploma in planning at Terotechnica Maintenance College, right?
Yes, that's true.
Okay. Tell me how you are feeling right now.
Hey, I'm so happy. I didn't know that I'll get to this stage, but because of my hard work that I was doing, I did made it.
What made you want to become a planner?
Actually, the reason why I wanted to be a planner, I was working for another company where I started my career as a fitter. We were just working. We work. There was nothing in place. There were no plannings and everything. We were just working. We ran the pump to failures and everything. So after that company closed, I went to another company where I started to know and learn about the planning. So we were doing everything. We were maintaining the plant according to the schedules and everything. So I moved to another company that I'm working for now at Limpopo. The name of the company is Artisan Chrome Mine. I started to work there as an artisan underground. I moved to the plant. When I get to the plant, there is this thing what we call the IDPs. It's Independent Development Careers. When I get to that, in that independent development program, you write everything that you want the mine or the company to train you for. But everything, it must be in line with your trade. Then is where I started to think of this maintenance planning. The reason I want to do the maintenance planning, I want to save cost for the company. Because most of the company, they just do everything, they just run the plant, but they're wasting a lot of money because they don't plan the things accordingly. That is why I wanted to be a planner.
So you have kind of like demonstrated that, even as an artisan, you can strive to be a planner too.
That's correct.
Okay. I want you to just please tell all the people who are watching this video, just give us a bit of advice, anything that you want to share.
Okay, my advice to everyone is, especially the artisan level. The artisan level is not the end of the road. You can still further your studies. You can still do a lot of things after the artisan level. As I chose a planner, you can take other streams. Don't sit and wait for the position that we don't know when will you get it. Most of the guys, or most of us as the artisan, we wait to be the foreman. That is the only position that you can get. And that is not a position, actually, it's just a promotion, because you'll never work for another company and apply as a foreman. You will first start to the tools. So I didn't want that. So that's why I say every artisan can further their studies by doing a different things, as I chose to be a planner with a Terotechnica.
Thabo, you are an inspiration, and thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Mohammed.
All the best, my brother.
Thank you, sir.